Hello again, persons, places, and things, and welcome back to Shop with a Sloth. We are back with our bag that keeps on giving, and I did take a peek. There are only two things left in here, so you will not see this bag next time. It'll just be the thing. Alright, I don't know what the things are in here. I just saw two things, so let's pull that off here. And this is a pair of cuff earrings, I think. Cuff earrings. Let's see. Yes, these are my cuff earrings. These are interesting. So, these are... I don't even know what to call them. They're asymmetrical, for one thing. One of them is stuck. There we go. They are a light pale blue. This part is completely solid, which is interesting. That's not what I had thought that they looked like, but I'm finding a lot of that with Temu is that these things look a little bit more fluid when they are in the picture than when they are in person. But yeah, they're just pretty little asymmetrical ear cuffs. Pretty baby blue on the little gems there. Yeah, kind of a water theme to the possibly a vine theme, but with the blue I would say probably closer to like a water drop thing there. Yeah, these were $3 for this pair. So water on water on water.